The 1-liter mini magnetic stirrer is an economical solution made for ultimate function. The mini stirrer delivers optimal magnetic coupling to ensure dependable stirring efficiency. With a variable speed from 200 to 2200 RPM, the mini stirrer is ideal for routine stirring applications in general research, life science, quality analysis, and clinical and industrial lab settings. The low-profile design is lightweight for transporting with ease, and the small footprint saves valuable space on a benchtop. A powerful magnetic coupling of the high-quality stir bar and unit ensures consistent, accurate alignment. This significantly reduces spin-outs during adjustments of spin speeds and ensures maximum stirring performance every time. The mini stirrer offers quiet operations with low vibrations, which helps users stay focused by reducing noise in the lab. The mini stirrer is made from an ABS and polycarbonate blend that is chemical resistant, making the unit easy to clean. The mini magnetic stirrer, stirring like you've never stirred before.